Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to brush your teeth with baking soda. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. All that you need is your toothbrush, some water, and some baking soda. Just as you can see right here, this is actually pure baking soda by Arm & Hammer. That's the brand that I use. Now I will say this, you should only do this every once in a while. This is not supposed to be something that you do often, okay? You need to do it every once in a while because it will help with whitening your teeth, but it does it by using like an abrasion on the teeth, okay? Because baking soda is very rough when you put it on your toothbrush with some water. So it does it by using abrasion. So you don't want to do this often. This is something that you do once in a while, okay? So let's get right into it. You're going to start off by wetting your toothbrush, okay? Just as you regularly would before you would regularly brush your teeth. You're going to put some baking soda on it. You don't need a lot. I literally just go and put it inside of the box like that, okay? And as you can see, just a little bit of baking soda on there. Okay, you want to make sure your mouth is decently moist, and then you're going to brush your teeth regularly, like you regularly would, but you're going to use this baking soda on the toothbrush. Now, like I said, it will help with whitening your teeth, but it's something that you should only do every so often, not frequently. So just brush your teeth like you regularly would, okay? Now, the key here is make sure that you brush your teeth and rinse it all out after. You want to make sure that you're rinsing it out after, okay? And it's not something that you should do often, like I said before, because it does use a little bit of abrasion on your teeth, okay? So that's why you don't want to do it too often, okay? Spit it out, continue brushing with the baking soda, and when you're done, you rinse it off. So right now, as you can see, I'm just scrubbing with it, and now I'm going to rinse it off. Just like that, okay? Just like that. Now I'm rinsing it all out of my mouth. Make sure that I get it all out of there before I continue on with my day, or my night in this case, because I'm in my pajamas, if you can't tell. That's it. That is literally how to brush your teeth with baking soda. For myself, this is something that I do about once a month, and as you saw, it's a really quick process. I don't spend many minutes doing it. It's really quick, and it really helps me keep my teeth decently white. So that's my own thing. I'm not a professional, so that's just what I do. I'm not telling you how often you should do it. You should only do it every so often. Like I said, not frequently, only every once in a while, but my frequency is probably about every once a month, give or take. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.